cup or some swallows.
Just don't choke.
For years, I got hammered by food, leading me to be 315 pounds and having numerous health issues at the age of only 22. One day, enough was enough, and I found the tools to help me fight back. And now I hammer food. I find the most tastiest bites and engage the most monstrous fights. I'm conquering fears and chugging beers, lifting weights and cleaning plates. I'm Heavy D, and these are my adventures. What's up, Heavy D Nation? Happy Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend. It's game week. This Saturday, I'll be in Des Moines, Iowa to try to punch my ticket again to Coney Island, but I'm going to be facing some tough competition in Brett, the Branimal Healy. Check out his channel. He's a cool dude. We're here in Vegas, cracking open a cold one. Pink grapefruit, very delicious and nutritious. 0 calories. Beach season. Got some classic lemonade. So we're in public here. Let's see if they think there's a T-Rex in the area. We got a couple of lookers out there. Have a great day. Have a great Monday. Let me know what you want me to chug below. Till the next adventure, stay hungry.